You guys, what is up today? It's a time for the Bitcoin all-time high. Isn't this awesome? And this was because of record whale accumulation. So as we saw the data on chain, the whales are just not selling. Okay, so I think this really pushed it to an all-time high today. But I just want to say that this was also okay, this was also precipitated by a rumor of a Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so let's see how that goes. No, it's not a futures ETF, it is a real ETF. So trend of accumulation does not appear to be slowing down. So you see this, the secret really in crypto is the diamond hands, right? Diamond hands. And wow, Bitcoin surpassing Teslas and Facebook. And then there's also this rumor, and it is just a rumor, that Elon Musk, in asking for the people to sell his Tesla stock so he can pay tax, might put some of that into Bitcoin. But that's just a rumor, okay? But look at those, right? Look at that supply that is around there. So where are we in terms of the entire cycle? It's very important we look at the bigger picture. This is 2013. Look at that double bubble. Boom. This is 2017. Look at that, how it went, and look at where we are. So heading into December, January, we could be heading for this moonshot. We do not know, but this is what it's saying, and this puts it around 200,000 perhaps, because I think this article here by, there is an article here by Raoul Pal here. Let me go and find it for you. Already puts this, okay? Where's Raoul Pal? Oh no, I can't see Raoul Pal here, right? But yeah, here, let me see here. Yeah, this one, Raoul Pal, expect the pass of most pain around December. He says that the cycle, the bull cycle, will probably go until June next year, but we'll have like 2 or 3 crashes along the way. Let me find this. Yeah, let me find this first. This is an interesting article because it does put the Bitcoin top. Let me find here around 253. So 200,000 is kind of there. So let's see what's happening to the alts. Even the alts have started to go down. That Bitcoin has been pumping. We still have a long way to go before we hit that peak, right? Because alts, we're looking at it to go 35, 32, maybe 30, maybe even 25. Beyond that, I'm not so sure, but I just want you to look at the Bitcoin chart. So let's look at the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to look at 2 charts today. Remember that there's going to be Taproot next week on the 16th. Look at that. Nice. Just break out Taproot. And after Taproot, I think it will correct. And then it will go up by 50%. That's what happened in the last Bitcoin major upgrade SegWit. So not financial advice. I'm just telling you what happened. So if we do go from where do we go 50%? Now I want you to look at another chart. So if you want to find out where it's going to go at, look at this. This is another chart, but this is CME. It doesn't have the weekend trading, but look at this. There's a gap here. That is a CME gap. You guys know CME gaps are 90% filled. So if it does go down, I think it would tend to visit these areas. Now, if it goes up from 61, 30%, no, 50%, that will bring it up to what, 91K, right? If it starts here or settles here like 63, what is 63? 50%, what, 32? That will bring it down to 65. Or if it goes here, corrects here, 64, 32, 97, 96, 97, which is pretty darn accurate because Plan B already said that the end of November will be 98K. So yes, it can go higher. And if there is an ETF news, of course, it will spike higher. I won't be surprised if it will come to retest these levels, especially the CME gap, because they have a good track record of filling. But hey, the star of the moon has got to be Ether. I think finally Ether has broken out here. And of course, it's broken out by Bitcoin quite some time ago, just trying to find that magical level of 5,000. Look at that chart. This is just a beautiful chart. Okay, look at that. I put the EMA 100 there. Support, 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 kind of support here. And if you look at the other altcoins, well, they're doing well, not as well as that. I think AVAX has slowed down. Now, once these kind of take a pause, things like AVAX are going to blast on to the moon. Not financial advice. Have a good day on ATH day.